Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in this I'm going to try and show you the results of Intel Extreme Tuning Utility. Okay, so I'm relatively new to this, but I just studied regarding this, and when playing the high-end games and AAA titles, then it is really necessary on this Acer Aspire 7 to undervolt the PC. So I'm going to run some stress testing in here, and I will let you guys know the comparison and results of them. Okay, so let me just go over here. Okay, for those who are new like me, I would like to share something with you. So undervolting means, as far as I know, it is relatively giving less power to your CPU so that it doesn't heat up a lot and temperature is under control. Okay, so you see here, this is the package temperature, and the range is specified between 0 to 92 degrees Celsius. Okay, and this is inside the core. Okay, this is core voltage offset. So as you can see, currently it is normal and default voltage. Earlier it was no, but I don't know why it is currently popping up. Let me just try it out. Edp limit throttling. What does that mean? Let me just search for it. Edp limit throttling. There we go. So bumping a desktop CPU a little beyond 95 amps is not likely to hurt anything. The current limit is something you can adjust, either the BIOS or the throttle setup. So what does that mean? I didn't get the answer. What is current EDP limit throttling? So the current limit throttling is some. Okay, that is the same. If I go over here, earlier it was no, but somehow now it is showing yes. Okay, I'm on a battery power, so let me just plug in the power adapter. So I'm plugging the power adapter. There we go. And currently it is in the normal profile. Okay, and current EDP limit is again no, back to no, and power limit throttling is there, so that is something. Okay, so even without I'm currently not playing any game or stuff, so even with that, power limit throttling is there, as you can see. Then talking about the undervolting, so let's skip this. So let's read this first. What is the current power limit throttling? So well, there is a lot, there can be multiple reasons why current limit is throttling. So processor core ICC max is set too low in XTU. Processor core ICC max. So where is that? Processor core ICC max. Probably in all controls. Yeah, there we go. So they're saying that it can throttle because it is set to too low. VR voltage regulator current limit is set too low. So in BIOS, so that is in BIOS. So I didn't change anything in BIOS apart from the secure boot disabling in order to format this laptop. Okay, and the motherboard is not able to provide high enough current. So these are the three reasons. And now since battery is plugged in and a power adapter is plugged in, so you can see this is no, so that is good. So talking about undervolting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some results. So I have compared results till minus 165, and on this my PC crashed down, but I will choose some random values. First of all, let's go somewhere between minus 25. Okay, so apply. There we go. Power limit throttling is still there, and it is currently no, and it just fluctuates. I don't know the reason, but yeah, as you can see. And let's go to stress testing. CPU stress test. I will reduce the time to a minute and start testing. If you know anything apart from this, and if you guys want to know anything, just let me know, because I'm relatively new to this and I'm just figuring the things out. So you can see thermal throttling is still there, which is not good, and it is kind of fluctuating as well. But this is yes, always. Well, looking at the colors, I think everything is blue means everything is good, but yeah. I really don't know that much. You can compare the results. So currently our profile is, you can see, minus 0.025 volt, core voltage offset set to that. In proposed is this one, and I have set it to minus 0.145 volt. Okay, so these are the results, as you can see. So temperature was around 68, 72 sometimes. Okay, now let's go back to core here, and the proposed is this one. Add boot, it was this, because I have earlier set it to this. So let me just frame it to 135, maybe, let's say 125. Okay, apply, and let me just go to stress test again, 1 minute, and start testing. Let's see. So output it was 145, and currently it is 125. And now power limit throttling is not there, which is a good thing. And temperature is around 80 degrees Celsius. That is nice, and everything is low, as you can see here. Now it's bumped to 85 degrees Celsius, but everything is looking good still. Now there you go, power limit has throttled for a second. The rest of the things are good. So now it is throttling again. So what is power limit throttling? It is your CPU is demanding more power, but you are not giving it enough. Okay, so that is what I know from the Google. Okay, so let me just go to core again, and currently I've set it to minus 0.125. so that is pretty good, and everything seems good to me in this. So I will save this as a profile, and I'll save it gaming proposed, and save it. So there cannot be spaces. Proposed, and save it. Okay, so we have tried two different temperatures. Let me just go down a little bit to 145. As you can see, at boot time it was 145. So let me just set it to 145, and let's see. Apply, stress test again, 1 minute, and start testing. Let's see the results. So temperature is around 70 to 75. Now it's 77, 76, 78. It is below 80. That is a nice thing. Now it is 81. That is something, but most of the time it is under 80, I believe. And yeah, this looks good to me too. It was under 80 most of the times. So let me just save it, and I already have profile gaming, so I will just save it. Yes, and I will keep my laptop in the gaming profile until it crashes or something. If it crashed, then I will definitely mention this in the comments. Okay, if you guys want to know anything else, and if you guys want to add something here, because I'm relatively new, so please let me know, because I'm happy to know about these things. I usually work in the software, but I never been into gaming or anything like that. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.